it's Morgan with WTI, and I am loving these battery-operated wall sconces.
These battery operated wall sconces from Moobibear are so awesome. They are beautiful. They come in this 2-pack with so many features. I mean, check out this remote. There are so many options. It's great because it has so many different colors and dimmable options. You can see how it comes in red and green and blue. There's actually 16 different options, and it is awesome. It is nice too to be able to just have your natural color and just have it dimmable. It's very easy to set up. You just attach it to the wall, and the light itself is magnetic. So you can just stick it right in there after it's done charging. And charging is very easy too. It comes with cords, so you can just plug it right into your wall, and that makes it very simple. And a charge lasts for a really long time, so you don't even have to do it that often. These are beautiful. They look so great in our home. I think they're just absolutely gorgeous, and I definitely recommend them.
I love this product, and that's my point of view.